Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Today we have a super easy yet very effective arm workout, all right? We're gonna tone and tighten all different parts of our arms, all standing, all right? No floor work. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have fun, so let's get into it. All right, so we will be doing 3 sets. The first one, I talk you through the movement a little bit more as I do it with you, so more of like a demo. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We just go straight through the routine. All right, so starting with our first exercise. When I say strong stance, I want you to remember this. When I say strong stance, I mean feet are hip width apart. We have a slight bend in the knees, all right? Our tailbone is tucked in, our stomach is tucked in, our rib cage is closed, our chest is up, our shoulders are pushed away from our ears. That is our strong stance, and we start a lot of exercises with that. So I wanted to cover those points first, all right? So in our strong stance, we're gonna be doing an IYT, all right? Hands straight out in front of you, and we're gonna go up, I, and then come down to starting, Y, and then T, all right? I, squeeze your shoulders, all right? Y, squeezing your back, all right? T, squeezing your back as well, all right? So every time you come up, not just strong arms moving with intention, but you're also squeezing your back, all right? Squeezing your arms, all right? And that's all connected to your shoulders, your arms, so it's all gonna help with, flab right here, everything, all right? So it's great exercise, 30 seconds on the clock. Strong stand, and let's go, all right? So I, Y, T. And what I want you to think of and be careful here is when you bring your arms up and you're squeezing your arms and you're squeezing your back, I don't want you to open your rib cage. So there's a difference between doing this, all right, and this, all right? So this is the open rib cage in the arching, all right? And then you're gonna, boom, lock it in, close it in. It's super important for spine health, all right? And it's also gonna help you use your muscles more effectively. Very good, almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. That is our IYT, looks as it sounds. Super great for warming up, all that good stuff. Next, we have lateral pulses. I'm gonna give you 2 variations for this, all right? So, arms are out to the side, hence the lateral, and then we're gonna pulse. Little pulses, up and down, up and down, up and down, while in that strong stance, all right? Or you can go ahead and just do our lateral raises, all right? So you can go up and down, even all the way up and down. Ooh, a little helicopter above us, sorry about that. One of the things when you work out outside, you have different elements, all right? So I give you a nice greenery to look at, and sometimes we have helicopters to deal with. All right, so we're gonna give you either lateral pulses, you go quick, 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 really squeezing your core muscles so you can go stabilize and go fast, or go ahead, come down and up, or all the way up, all right? That is up to you. 30 seconds on the clock, big breath, and let's go. Very good. Remember that strong stance, slight bend in the knees. You never want to lock your knees. Your shoulders are pushed away from your ears. Sometimes it's easy to scrunch when we're thinking about something or when we're moving our arms, but it's super important to have a nice, long, elegant neck, all right? Quick, 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 quick. Oh, feeling the burn. Oh, you got this. Go, 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 go. Almost there. Remember, if this becomes a little bit too much for you, if you don't want to, power through, you can go to those up and down raises, okay? Lateral raises. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very, very good. Shake it out. Woo! Already on the first set, and my arms are on fire. That's good news. That means we're working our muscles. And moving on to our next exercise, we're doing scissor arms, all right? Also giving you 2 variations for this one. So, hands out in front of you. You can have either palms facing down or palms facing up. And what we're gonna do is crisscross. So right goes over left, and then left goes over right. All right, so if your palms are facing up, you're gonna be feeling it more in your chest area, all right? So I feel it more in my chest area here, but if your palms are facing down, you're gonna feel it more here in your deltoids, all right? In your arms right here, your shoulders as well. All right, so 2 variations for you. Do you wanna work your chest, or do you wanna work this area, your deltoids? You choose. Big breath, 30 seconds, and let's go. Quick, 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 quick. Remember, right over left and then left over right. You wanna switch them. Squeezing, squeezing as they come in. Very good. Remember those shoulders, try not to hunch. Strong core, bend in the knees. Very good. If you really wanna challenge yourself, go a little level up. You can go behind you. You can also do that. So 3 variations there for you. And 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very, very good. Now, our last exercise of the set are tricep kickbacks, all right? So in that strong stance, all right, arms are behind you, your palms are facing outwards, all right? So your palms are facing outwards and you're going to kick back. So these are tricep kickbacks, all right? Now you're gonna feel this right here in the back of your arm, which are triceps, okay? So back, 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 all right? 30 seconds on the clock, big breath, and let's go. So start here and then go further, back, back, back. All right, if it helps, if you wanna come forward and then go all the way back, there's a different variation. You can start there, all right? These are more tricep, you know, these are more tricep pulses, and these are more tricep kickbacks, all right? So 2 variations there for you. Woo, feel the burn, you got this. Strong core. And 3, 2, 1, and relax. There you go. Very good, that was it. That was 1 full set of your toned and tight arm workout. Take a second, grab some water, and then we're gonna crush set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, less talking, more doing. You know the exercises, we have our I, Y, T, all right, then we have our lateral pulses, then we have our scissor arms, and then we have our tricep kickbacks, okay? You got this, keep the energy up, push through, let's have fun. Starting with our IYT, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Moving right on to lateral pulses. Big breath. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, down. Very good. Woo! Feeling the burn. All right, we got this. Moving on to scissor arms. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Big breath and tricep kickbacks. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Big breath. And celebrate. We did it. 2 sets. 2 sets done and dusted. Take a second, breathe, stretch, grab some water, and then we're doing set number 3. Alrighty, my beautiful people, 2 sets done. Moving on to our 3rd set. You got this. Breathe, starting with our IYT, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Moving right on to lateral pulses. Big breath. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, down. Very good. Woo! Feeling the burn. All right, we got this. Moving on to scissor arms. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Big breath and tricep kickbacks. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Big breath. Alrighty, that was it. Give yourself a round of applause. Pat on the back. Awesome job. Don't forget to stretch afterwards. I'm feeling it. I know I need to stretch after this. If you don't know how to stretch, we have other videos on our channel that will show you, do it with you. Don't forget to check it out. Subscribe, hit the bell. That lets you know when we post, so you don't miss out on an awesome recipe or workout, okay? I hope to see you there.